Hi, would you like to trust your intuition more and get direct insights in people you've never met before? My name is Luc, and what I just told you, it's possible. I've written a book based on more than dozens of workshops I've given to just people like you, rational, down-to-earth people, who wanted to know how I can get insights in people I've never met before. So in those workshops I explained and I've gave exercises to how to use images, how to use what you really are feeling to get insights in people you've never met before. And eventually, with my tips and tricks, they all were able to do a 100% correct reading of the other person. So why do you want to buy my book? One is maybe you're curious about how to read people. But I think the most important reason might be that you want to get insights in yourself. Because you don't see people as they are, you see people as you are. You see an aspect of that person. But you can be very clear about that aspect. And so clear that if you tell the other person about that aspect, the other person will recognize him or herself. So, and it will help you to make choices. Choices in relationships, but also other choices. Because it has to do with following your feelings instead of your mind making choices based on the past. So, you want to get insights in people you've never met before? Trust your intuition more? Buy this book. And you can buy it as a hard copy with a link down below, or as a digital copy. But if you have any questions regarding this book, or maybe some other questions, please ask me and send me an email. Yeah?